Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Kartika and I am Putri Awalia Radin. We are students ICT Biology Education at Universitas Negeri Makassar. In this video, we will discuss one of the important topics we will cover the definition, qualification, and structure then how this video profit to understanding it beneficial for all of us. And enjoy for watching.
Lipids are essential molecules in living organisms that function as energy reserve component of the cell membranes, and they basics for hormones and vitamins. Although they are insoluble in water, lipids play vital roles in various biological process. Classification of lipids based on their chemical structure and biological function. Lipids are classified into three main groups. 1. Simple lipids. They are a sort of fatty acids with alcohol. Example: triglycerides, fats, and oils. Ester for one glycerol molecule with their fatty acid. Wax, ester of fatty acid with long chain alcohol, highly hydrophobic and function as protective coating on plant leaves or animal skin. And number 2, complex lipids. They are simple lipids conjugated with other groups like phosphate, carbohydrates, or proteins. Example: and phospholipid contain protein group and are the main component of the cell membranes with a hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tails. Number 2, glycolipid. Lipid that contain carbohydrate group play a role in cell regulation and biological signaling. 3. Lipoprotein, complex of lipid and protein function lipid transport in the bloodstream source are glycerol. Number 3, derived lipids. These are the hydrolysis product of simple or complex lipid. Example: free fatty acid monoxyrol and diacerol, and steroid and steroid hormones such as cholesterol estrogen. Soluble vitamins, namely vitamins A, D, E, which are involved in various physiological functions.
Secondly, structure and function of lipids. Okay, first here is the structure and function of lipids. Lipids are a group of compounds that are hydrophobic or insoluble in water, but soluble in nonpolar solvents such as ether, alcohol, and benzene. Lipids themselves have several functions, namely providing reserve energy, producing energy, as a component of hormone formation, a solvent for several vitamins, participating in biological process, and as a protector of important organs. Fatty acids. Let's go straight to the first one, namely fatty acids. Fatty acids are the simple lipid components that have a head and tail shape. Here the head of the fatty acids is a carboxyl group and the tail is a saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. This fatty acid functions as an energy source. Fatty acids are divided into two, namely saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids between their atoms are single chain bonds or do not have double bonds in their carbon chains, while unsaturated fatty acids have double bonds, have missing hydrogen atoms, and have two forms, namely the trans form and the cis form. Here in the trans form, the hydrogen atoms in the double chain bonds or on opposite sides so that they are straight. While in the cis form, the hydrogen atoms in the double chain bonds are on the same side so that the shape is bent.
And next, three are triglycerides. These three are triglycerides are ester formed from glycerol, and three fatty acids. The main function of triglycerides is to serve as an energy source. Fat is stored in the body in the form of triglycerides. Based on the structure, lipids can be divided into two types: fats and oils. Fats and oils are classified as glyceride compounds of triglycerol, which means compounds that contain three fat acids contain attached to a single glycerol molecule. In the diagram, carbon chain with carbon atom running from 3 to
Phospholipid. Here are always phospholipids. Phospholipids are the main components that form membranes that are composed of double layers. These phospholipids have a shape that is almost similar to triglycerides. Phospholipid consists of glycerol, two fatty acids, and a phosphate group. The lipid membrane is amphibolic because it has a hydrophobic end and the other end is hydrophilic. Fat metabolisms. Okay, next is fat metabolisms. Fat metabolisms is the process by which fatty acids are digested and they broken down to product energy or stored in the body as energy reserves. This process occurs in the intestines in the form of triglycerides. Fat will be synthesized into fatty acid and glycerol. The glucose undergoes decarboxylation of pyruvate into acetyl-CoA. Then this acetyl-CoA enters the citric acid cycle and products energy or ATP. When food enters the small intestine, fat will bind to bile salt products by the gallbladder. This bile fluid functions to emulsify fat into smaller fat globules and will be broken down by the lipase enzyme into fatty acid and glycerol, but will be absorbed by the intestinal villi and will be converted into component by the tissue.